1942, the United States Navy joined the National Cash Register Company to construct a classified technology that would track German U-boats during World War II. This technology was designed to break codes to find their exact location. The designer of this technology was Joseph Desch. Mr. Desch was born in Dayton, Ohio. His father was a craftsman and a farmer who encouraged his son to learn how to use the right tools to solve his problems. At the age of 11, Desch discovered how the radio operated and was innovative to invent his own experiments. When Desch was a teenager, he created his own laboratory in his basement to work with vacuum tubes, to pass signals or impulses, and tried to read them. In 1926, Desch passed his amateur radio license exam and was hired at the University of Dayton to repair radios. He had one daughter named Deborah. He was hired by Harry Williams to work at the Processing Laboratory Division at General Motors. In 1938, Desch followed Williams to the National Cash Register Company to work in the Electrical Research Laboratory, ran by President Colonel Edward Dease. One of Desch's inventions was building a binary computer. This invention was used as an electronic calculator for banks. The task of this machine was watching the electronic current move through vacuum tubes to read on and off impulses. Building 26 opened in 1938. It was used for manufacturing processes, but then was taken over by the military for Desch to design his code-breaking machine, or also called the bomb. The bomb was a version of the British machines used to analyze German naval code. Desch was a primary candidate to construct the design of the machine. The United States military wanted to keep this top secret from everyone else and assigned it Top Secret Ultra. The building consisted of a number of rooms with male Marines on guard. The women who served in Building 26 were in the WAVE naval program. The women worked on certain parts to assemble for the bomb. They were not allowed to communicate with other civilians or with their family members. They had no idea that they were involved in aiding the military to defeat the Germans and the Japanese during World War II. Evelyn Hodge said, "At Building 26, we've learned how to solder, how to put terminal boards together, and all sorts of electronic operations that we have never done before." These women tested and observed each machine that Desch created. Desch wanted to make sure his machines were able to decode German messages before delivered to Washington, D.C. His machines would work 6 times faster to mimic the messages from the Germans. Building 26 no longer stands today. It was demolished in 2008. People passed by Building 26 and had no idea what secret it had lying inside of it. Had no idea Joseph Desch was creating a code-breaking machine that aided the military in World War II to find the U-boat's location to defeat the Germans. Desch took his secret to the grave. He died on August 3rd, 1987. There is a boulder on the landscape of Building 26 that describes the transition to Dayton, Ohio.